New York, Reuters. An intensifying trade dispute between the United States and China weighed on global stocks and bond yields on Thursday, but a rise in Apple shares took its valuation above a record $1 trillion and helped major U.S. indexes close in positive territory. In midday trading, Apple Inc. became the first publicly traded company with a market capitalization exceeding $1 trillion. That led a rebound in technology stocks that helped key U.S. indexes pare earlier losses to turn positive. €1 or FA get the blue ribbon €1, said Bucky Helwig, Senior Vice President at BB&T Wealth Management in Birmingham, Alabama. €1 or if you look at $1 trillion, that a euro trademark is about 5% of the U.S. economy. On the other hand, if you look at the stock relative to the market, its price-to-earnings ratio is less. It still has a decent growth rate. €1. The tech company euro trademark S stock jumped more than 3.3% to as high as $208.38, bringing its gain to about 9% since Tuesday when it reported quarterly results that beat expectations and said it bought back $20 billion of its own shares. The Nasdaq, Dow, and benchmark S&P indexes had opened lower, but began to turn positive as the advance in Apple shares helped take the focus away from the trade dispute. The Dow, which was the worst performer of the three indexes, was the only one to end lower. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 7.66 points, or 0.03%, to 25,326.16. The S&P 500 gained 13.86 points, or 0.49%, to 2,827.22, and the Nasdaq Composite added 95.40 points, or 1.24%, to 7,802.69. Despite the DIA euro trademark S reprieve for Wall Street, concerns remained over the U.S. China trade spat, which intensified on Wednesday after U.S. President Donald Trump raised pressure on China by proposing a higher 25% tariff on $200 billion worth of Chinese imports. China on Thursday urged the United States to calm down but market participants remained unnerved. MSCI euro trademark S gauge of stocks across the globe shed 0.75%, while the pan-European FTSE Euro First 300 index lost 0.85%. Germania euro trademark S blue chip index DAX, which is seen as a trade war proxy, fell 1.5%, while the broader pan-European STOXX 600 was down about 0.8%. MSCI euro trademark S broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan closed down 1.6%, dragged lower by a 1.8% fall in Chinese H shares. Benchmark U.S. government bond yields dipped as the market sought safe haven debt in treasuries amid the trade dispute. U.S. yields, however, moved in narrow ranges ahead of Friday euro trademark S U.S. non-farm payrolls report for July. Euro or ETH market was pretty much back and forth. We euro trademark just waiting for tomorrow while euro trademark S payrolls euro, said Tom Simons, money market economist at Jefferies in New York. Eurozone government bond yields dipped, and borrowing costs in Germany and France pulled back from 7-week highs. Gold prices inched downward after FIDA euro trademark S upbeat assessment of the economy on Wednesday to the lowest price in more than a year as the dollar, which typically has an inverse relationship with gold, rose. Spot gold dropped 0.6% to $1,208.72 an ounce. U.S. gold futures fell 0.87% to $1,216.90 an ounce. The dollar index rose 0.56%, with the euro down 0.61% to $1.1587. Oil prices strengthened after an industry report suggested U.S. crude stockpiles would soon begin to decline again after a surprise rise in the latest week. Traders said prices rallied when industry information provider Genscape reported crude inventories at the Cushing, Oklahoma, delivery hub for U.S. crude, dropped 1.1 million barrels since Friday, July 27. Brent crude futures settled up $1.06, or 1.5% at $73.45 a barrel. U.S. crude rose $1.30, or 1.9%, to $68.96 a barrel.